Can we find profile we have visited on Instagram? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's just go ahead. For that you can go ahead and open up Instagram in your device. Once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So if you're looking for that, you can head over to the bottom right corner in your screen first and then go ahead and open up your profile. Now from here, tap on the menu bar at the top right corner, and after tapping on menu, settings opens up. Now from the given settings, you need to go over to your activity. Tap on it, and once you go to your activity, you may scroll down, and when you head over here, you should be finding account history and recent searches. So if you're looking for profiles that you visited on Instagram, the only way is going ahead, tapping on recent searches. Tap on it to look for the searches. From here, you can tap on any recent search to view it again and clear individual searches or clear all the searches. And here you will be finding the profile that you've searched. But unfortunately, we don't have the direct feature to see a list of profiles you have visited, meaning you can't directly access the history of profiles you have viewed. So that's it for now. You can follow this method instead. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.